Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Suraya. Today we are going to discuss basic Excel function count and its variants CountA, CountBlank, CountIF and CountIFs. Count counts the cells containing numbers and dates, whereas CountA counts number, dates, text and a mixture of all these data types, but it does not count blank. Whereas CountBlank counts the number of blank cells. CountIF counts the number of cells based on one criteria and CountIF counts the number of cells based on multiple criteria. Let's try it out in Excel. This data contains store and regional sales database. It has various columns like ID, store number, region, and so on. Let's count the number of records in item number. First, let's see how many records are there in the database. Shift Control down arrow. 96 records are there, and in item number, let's see what is the data type it contains. Let's filter. Okay, the item number contains only number data type. Okay, let's find the number of record in item number. First select the cell, then type equal, then count, then select the cells for which we want to count, then close the parenthesis, type, press enter. Okay, the total number of records are 96. Let's do some changes in item number and observe the changes over here. Let's change it to text and see. When we are changing any numeric data type to string data type or text, it's not counting the string data type. Let's make some of the cells to blank, and we can see the changes over here that it does not count blank cells. Let's use CountA function and see what happens to the result. Okay, then enter. And it's now 95 because it counted text also, and it does not count blank cells. Next, let's count the number of blank cells in item number column. To find the number of blank cells, first we have to select the cell where we want to find the result, then type equal, then use CountBlank function, then the range. The shortcut key is Shift Control down arrow, then close the parenthesis, press enter. The number of blank cells in item number column is only 1. Let's count the number of records of South region. As we know, to count the number of records based on only one criteria, we have to use CountIF function. So select the cell where we want to find the result, then type equal, then CountIF, then the range and criteria. The range is region. Shift control down arrow, then put the criteria in quote, that is South, then close the parenthesis and enter. Here you go. The number of records in South region is 36. Let's count the number of records in South region in the month of November. As we know, to count the number of cells based on multiple criteria, we have to use CountIFs function. Here are two criteria are there. One is region, that is South, and one is month, that is November. Let's try it out. equal CountIFs. Then first criteria range is region. Set control down arrow. Put the criteria in double quote, that is south. Then criteria 2 is month. Select that one. Then comma. Then criteria. Put the criteria in quote. Then close the parenthesis. Press enter. So the result is 12. So the number of record in South region in the month of November is 12. That's all for today. Thank you.